Yo, what is up guys? So what do we got over here today is the Xiaomi Smart Temperature and Humidity Monitor 3. So this is the newest version that shows you some more informations. As you can see, multiple information displays, so you can actually change between those and so on, which we will discover in a second. Industrial grade, high precision sensor, smart connections, so you can have this around your house and you can basically see through your phone via Bluetooth or via connecting it to a mesh the temperatures in your house. So for example, if I would like to check on my phone now the, let's say, bedroom temperature, I could do so if I have one of those there. And if you have the mesh, the device to connect all of those together, you can see the temperatures from around the world basically because you connect it to your Wi-Fi. So what else is over here? Temperature and humidity display, large screen, versatile usage scenarios. So I think that's it. Of course, it runs via Bluetooth. And in a future video, I will get a mesh to connect it all together. So you can basically create a smart home or a beginning of a smart home. So what is inside? Let's see the device itself. Let's put it to the side. Then we got some instructions. We don't need those. And something else over here, which I believe is a stand, which is very hard to get out. So we will have to do this way. Push it out. So that's it in the box itself. Let's see what is here. Alright, so we got a double-sided tape as usual and a stand for the device or a back leg for it. So let's check out the device itself. As well, I will show you how to connect it to Bluetooth to the Xiaomi app or any other app that supports Xiaomi devices. Quick time calibration method. We will calibrate it via the Bluetooth, so I don't need that. Okay, so this is how the sensor looks like. Unlike the other ones, it has two buttons over here, so we can do some switching, I guess. So this would be to turn it on, to basically break the insulation from the battery inside, and I would like to see the battery inside. So, okay, it has a larger battery. Wow, I never saw one of those. Let me get it out. Just like so it gets out. CR2450. That's the largest, like, tablet battery or whatever you call those I've seen. Of course the device is turned off. Put it back in. And as you can see, as of course I'm holding this device in my hands, it will display a fake temperature or maybe like the temperature of my body, because my hands are essentially heating it up. So when I hit the buttons, you can see the humidity. I believe, I don't know what that is. Oh, the time. Okay, so the time will set up while we connect it to Bluetooth. You can see the little Bluetooth icon over there. And the date, don't know what the second button is for. It doesn't seem to do anything, but I think it has something with the connection. So this is how the device looks like. This is a double-sided tape. You can tape on here, then glue it to wall or something, a cabinet, wherever you need. Or you can basically glue this part over here for it to stand like this, which I managed to hold itself by the weight of it. So let's go to the Xiaomi app and let's set it up really quick, and I will show you as well how to do it. Alright, so we are in the Xiaomi app over here, and we will go ahead and add a new device, add device, and discover new devices. So we got one over here. Agree, make sure the Bluetooth is on and keep phone close to device. The device is next to the phone, device connected, standard verification, progress, pairing the device. So it was as easy as that. I don't know where I will set it up, so I will just put it in Salon. Go next. Xiaomi Smart Temperature Humidity Monitor Free. I guess agree. Bring your phone as close to the device and press the lower right button to start connecting. So this is the button I was telling you about. So I pressed the button, I clicked press on the phone, and as you can see, the temperature is here, the humidity is here. And as you can see, I don't have the gateway I was talking about, so the Bluetooth gateway is not connected. This is essentially a sort of hub which connects your devices together, allows them to connect to Wi-Fi, and then you can like monitor them through your phone wherever you are on the world, as long as you have the connection, and of course you have internet in your home. So let's get back over here. The date and everything set up automatically. We can change to Fahrenheit. We can change to 12-hour clock, calibrate time and recordings, and records. It calibrates right now itself, I believe. Share device, automation, firmware update. So you can as well like create some scenarios over here. So for example, if you have a humidity sensor, which you can see on the top right, you can like make it go on while this device detects the set up humidity, for example. I don't know why it once again. Bring your phone close, press it. Okay, pressed it, pressed. Don't know why it wants it to connect again. Connecting the Bluetooth. And I will show you as well very shortly on the video how it looks like connected. Let's wait for it to update. And yeah, as you can see, it is connected. Again, humidity. It will show some data. I believe like previous data over here when some time passes, and you can see the automation, so you can do some tasks. So let me show you one last time. The device over here with the correct time, with the correct date, and of course the temperature, so the humidity, time, and that's it. So this was it for this little short video about the Smart Humidity Monitor 3. I will set it up on temperature, of course. That's the main thing that we want from those devices, and the humidity. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I will answer those. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye bye.